BMW's M4 earned a cult following for its 500 horsepower punch and iconic design. For collectors, a 1:18 scale BMW M4 diecast model has become a holy grail, packed with details precise enough to challenge the real thing. Yet not every miniature delivers on the hype. Even small flaws can make or break a model's reputation. Why does this particular model stand out, and what does it take for a die-cast car to become a must-have? We will answer those questions, focusing on the accuracy, the moving parts, and the build quality that give a model shelf presence and collector appeal. BMW first introduced the M4 as the F82 generation in 2014, carving out a new identity for its high-performance coupe. Under the hood, a twin-turbo inline-six engine set the standard, delivering sharp power and a signature exhaust note that quickly became a calling card. This platform laid the groundwork for the next leap, the G82 generation, which arrived in 2021. Here, BMW pushed the limits even further. The M4 competition model now boasts up to 503 horsepower, channeling that force through advanced suspension and chassis technology rooted in decades of motorsport engineering. These numbers are not just for show, they represent the relentless pursuit of speed and control that defines every M car. Across both generations, the M4 stands as a testament to the BMW commitment to blending brute strength with everyday usability. It is this mechanical pedigree that makes the M4 a favorite among drivers and the perfect subject for collectors seeking authenticity in miniature form. Car culture thrives on icons, and the M4 has carved out its own territory in the enthusiast world. At track days, its flared fenders and signature grille turn heads before the engine even fires up. Tuner shops across the globe push the limits with wide-body kits, carbon spoilers, and custom exhausts, each build adding to the M4's legend. Online, the car dominates leaderboards in racing games like Forza and Gran Turismo, where players tweak every setting to chase the perfect lap. Social media feeds overflow with real-life M4s caught mid-drift or lined up at meetups, each post a testament to the car's instant recognizability. For many fans, the M4 is not just a machine, it is a badge of belonging. Owning a scale replica becomes more than collecting a toy, it is about capturing that feeling, that adrenaline, and the community that comes with it. That's why accuracy and detail matter so much when shrinking this icon down to 1:18 scale. At roughly 25 to 30 centimeters in length, the 1:18 scale BMW M4 model lands right in the sweet spot for collectors. It is big enough to showcase every curve and vent, but small enough to fit comfortably on a desk or shelf, so it makes a strong display piece without demanding a lot of space. The main body uses a zinc alloy metal, giving the model a reassuring weight that feels solid in your hands, far from the feather-light plastic of cheaper toys. This dense metal construction is not just about heft, it allows for sharper lines and more precise details, capturing the real car's presence in miniature. For collectors, this scale strikes a balance between display impact and practical storage, making it a favorite for anyone who wants their models to stand out without taking over the whole room. The first thing that stands out on the 1:18 scale BMW M4 model is its unmistakable face. The kidney grille, finished in gloss black or chrome, captures the bold look of the real car, right down to the sculpted edges and deep intakes. Metallic paint covers every panel, shifting in the light just like the full-size M4. Pearl effects and subtle flake make the bodywork feel alive. Along the sides, crisp body lines run from the aggressive front to the wide rear arches, and the stance sits low and planted. The wheels mirror the M4's signature double-spoke design, with drilled brake rotors and colored calipers peeking through. Even the tire sidewalls carry stamped markings, and the brake discs look like real metal. From every angle, the model's exterior signals attention to detail and mirrors the athletic presence that makes the M4 instantly recognizable. Inside the 1:18 scale BMW M4 model, the attention to detail steps up another level. The seats mimic the real car's bolstered design, right down to the subtle texture of the upholstery and the tiny M4 badges pressed into the headrests. The dashboard packs in every dial and vent, and the steering wheel features the signature M tricolor stitching plus paddle shifters. Open the doors and you will spot seat belts, a sculpted center console, and even the gear selector, all finished in scale. Under the hood, thick turbo pipes and engine covers hint at the power of the real thing. Linkage steering lets the front wheels turn with the steering wheel, and the hood and trunk open on sturdy hinges. These moving parts do not just add play value, and they invite a closer look, revealing layers of craftsmanship that give the model its sense of realism and soul. Pick up the 1:18 scale BMW M4 model, and the first thing you notice is its solid, weighty feel, a real metal heft that sets it apart from lighter plastic models. The panels line up cleanly along the doors and the hood, giving it a premium look from arm's length. On closer inspection, there is some variability in the panel gaps, nothing dramatic, but a reminder this is a scaled replica, not a hand-built showpiece. The kidney grills are molded in solid black, with no mesh, and the carbon fiber accents rely on decals instead of textured finishes. These are common trade-offs in the $100 price range and do not take away from the model's strong shelf presence. Most collectors agree that it delivers where it counts, balancing impressive realism with the kind of small imperfections you only spot when you are hunting for them. This model fits right in for anyone passionate about BMW cars or for someone just starting a 1:18 scale collection. With prices ranging from $100 to $200, it is accessible without feeling cheap, and limited runs, sometimes fewer than 1,000 pieces per color, add extra thrill for collectors. On a shelf, it stands out whether displayed on its own or paired with smaller scale models, and rotating your display keeps the look fresh year-round. Every year, premium 1:18 scale die-cast models become more accurate and more collectible. For enthusiasts, each new release is not just a replica, it is a snapshot of automotive passion preserved in metal. Share your thoughts below.